today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Capital One locations near me. If you need to locate a Capital One branch, cafe, or ATM close to your area, this process is very simple and only takes a minute. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it so you can quickly see the locations that are nearest to you. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Capital One Locations website. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the Location Finder, where you can search for nearby places based on your area. Make sure the page fully loads so the search tool and map display correctly. When you're on the home page, look for the section labeled Find Nearby Locations. This is the main search area you'll use to look up Capital One locations. It's typically easy to spot and is placed prominently on the page, so you can start your search right away. Next, click into the search field. In that box, type your address, city, state, or zip code, depending on how specific you want your search to be. If you want the most accurate results, entering a full address can help narrow things down. But if you only need a general view of nearby options, a city or zip code usually works just fine. After entering your location, press enter on your keyboard. This tells the website to run the search and display results based on what you typed. Give it a moment if needed, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Once the search is processed, all the nearby Capital One locations will appear on the left-hand side of the page. You'll usually see a list of results along with a map, which makes it easier to compare different locations in your area. This layout is helpful because you can quickly review multiple options without having to search again right away. As you look through the list, pay attention to which location is most convenient for you based on distance and placement on the map. If needed, you can adjust your search by entering a different address, city, state, or zip code to explore other nearby areas. And that's it. That's how to find Capital One locations near you using the online location finder. Once you know where to search and how to enter your location correctly, the process becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.